welcome to another video of Darren Hickey, Hornby GWR. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. I got this building a layout toolkit on the Black Friday sales from Hornby. I paid around £30 something. That's really good price than £60 something. So basically you see the tools, what you get, and I said to myself, this would be very, very helpful and very good. This just came through the post. I haven't opened it at all, so we're going to have a good look at all the tools we get in it. So further ado, this is just the back of the box, and there should be a product number somewhere, but if I can't see it, I will put it in the description below. So yeah, so further ado, I'm going to open it up and see all the tools for the first time. Please note that what I'm just using is a pair of scissors to get the plastic off. If you're going to do this with a child or anything, please take care. None of the people want to have incidents and everything goes terribly wrong. So that's now the plastic off. Now finally we can just open the box by these latches here. That one, and clearly that one. And open the box. Got the tools at the top. Nice foam to protect the tools. The first thing you get is really lovely and helpful. Is a bag of extra track pins. I'm very, very helpful on the likes of that. You can buy these separately if you run out, and you can clearly see that's the product number R207 track pin, and then that, and the same at the top there. That's really nice. I'm just going to put those back so that I don't end up losing it. First time ever getting these tools out. You got like track cutters. Very good, very nice. And I'm just going to put those back. I think this is like a sponge or something, or gauge. I don't really know because this is the first time. And then you got is a small hammer to knock the trap pins in. Really nice. I enjoy seeing that. And then wire strippers, very good, lovely tool. Or you can use them to hold the trap pin or fish plate and insert it into the track. So put that back. And then finally the other tool we get in this, where you can put the trap pin in and finally push it in to make the hole and everything like that. Makes it very easy. So from this is a huge thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos. Everything. I'm going to get on to the next box review for you guys to see in the next video. Will be coming out hopefully next week on Wednesday. This video, hopefully the time you're watching it, will come out on Friday this week, or when you get it. But I want to make a huge announcement to everyone. If we can get the channel up to 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours and so many likes on all the videos I made, I will be releasing, when I get the license fee for it, instead of you guys waiting for videos to come out on a certain day, a member, you can pay for a membership and you can get the video what I made on that day straight away. And there'll be another opportunity I could look into, is getting mugs sold to you lot, pictures of my steam engines and stuff and my diesel locos, or a Virgin Pendolino if you want something like that, you can drink from. So I just would like to pronounce these things if we hit that goal and get it sorted out. So all I can say is a huge thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like, and please leave your comments below. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.